I'm here at Panorama Garden Estate on the Mornington Peninsula in Victoria, just outside Melbourne. And what a beautiful place it is. The gardens are spectacular and so are the lawns, which is what I want to focus on today. Following a good maintenance program and a few simple rules and you can have a great looking lawn. And it all starts with choosing the right variety for your environment, sun and shade being particularly important. Most grasses like full sun, so if you've got a few shady areas, you might want to consider one of the shade-tolerant buffaloes. Your local turf farmer will have more specific information for your area. Mowing too low is the biggest mistake people make, especially in winter when many lawns are dormant. Raise the cutting height in autumn for winter and in shady areas or times of drought and stress. The longer leaf blade is better for photosynthesis, helps shade the soil below, reducing water evaporation and reduces weed germination. As a rule, only remove a third of the leaf per mow. If you're mowing off more, increase the mowing frequency. Staying on top of weeds is critical. Don't let them get out of control and become a big problem. Good old-fashioned hand weeding works well, but some weeds are difficult. Onion weed, bindi eye, nutgrass, wintergrass, summergrass, crabgrass, spotted spurge, mullumbimby cooch, wireweed, purple oxalis and clover, for example. Now there are sprays that can help here, but having a thick, healthy lawn will reduce the weed's chances of survival. Remember, 1 year's seed is 7 years weed. Lawn grubs like to eat your lawn, causing all sorts of damage. Curl grubs, active from spring to autumn, eat the roots. Others, like armyworm, cutworm and sod webworm, eat the leaves and are active in summer and autumn. There are plenty of treatments on the shelves, including seasonal preventative treatments. If you see some dead patches or some unusual leaf damage, investigate. Sometimes you can see the dirty grubbers, sometimes you can't. But make sure you take action.